Woo! All right. We just generated this website right here, fully automated in a clay table. And don't worry about these images. These are actually coming soon. I haven't put in the images yet, but I put in the video and the about image here. And let me show you a little bit about how this works. So it starts with this first table where we import a bunch of leads that we scraped from Outscraper, if you're wondering. And you can see a bunch of different business information. Then what we do is we validate those email addresses. So we put them in a new table and we make sure that all of the emails are good to go. So we check on them and we make sure that we can actually send to these emails. And once we've done that, we send those leads to be enriched where we like extract reviews, see how many reviews they have in the last 30 days, things like that to help us with outreach. And you can see like, whether or not they're verified, what's their copyright year on their website. And then once that's done, we can run this API here. So I've only run this once, but let's just go ahead and click run on this guy. And you can see it's going to queue it up. And what we'll see is in our automation tool that's running all this stuff, we'll see this task start to kick off. And this usually takes like 2 minutes. So I'm just going to pause and come back once all of this is done. And actually, the way it works is we're passing in the place ID and then a URL to send it back to. And we're scraping info off their old website to figure out like what the branding on their new website needs to be. We're choosing the colors based on their old website. We're getting the what does this say? We're choosing which services to actually put on their website based on what their website says and from their Google page, and then we're updating it with reviews. Like this basically does everything, and really all it uses is their old website URL. There's some other stuff that we get, like their email address to put on their website, but all it needs is basically their old website URL, and it generates this entire brand new website from that. And so I'll just pause it. Okay, so we can see that this successfully completed, and if I come back here, then we'll see this is our email, that we don't have a name or a job title for them, and we can go to their listing link, and we can click on their website, and actually, it looks like it's down. So their website is just broken. And if we go to their new website, then we'll see we have the same video as last time, but we chose orange this time as the default. And we weren't really able to extract much information because obviously their site was down. So we just chose a few random images or services. And that's really all there is to it. I'm going to go sleep. I'm so fucking tired from this. I can't even begin to explain. It's insane. But yeah, anyways, that's the process. That's how it works. And next step is really just to run these 200 rows. I mean, this might take the entire night, 200 times 2 minutes. Yeah, it's going to take a while. So anyways, that's the next step here. But yeah, thank you for watching the video.